You know, one of my favorite experiences with sound took place right here in the studio. Well, not exactly this studio. It was a much more low-key version. It was my closet, okay? Yes, the place where I recorded some of my very first songs was right inside my bedroom closet. Recording music was like my very own science experiment. I tested out different material I could use to work as soundproofing. I tried things like blankets, pillows, styrofoam, and even egg cartons on the walls. Yeah, we went through a lot of eggs, okay? Eventually, I had my own closet studio all set up, which actually looked more like a fort, but it worked. Later, as I got a bit more skilled, I actually built my own legit recording booth. I even made the walls collapsible, so the entire booth was portable. All this to say, learning about something like sound can happen in so many different ways, and even when you're doing something fun like playing an instrument or singing in the bathroom, you are exploring science. And sometimes that scientific exploration can take you to some pretty amazing places. Thanks for taking a moment with me.